James Beard award-winning chef Spike Jurdy combs the Waverly Farmers Market to create your new favorite summer stew. Take it away, Spike.
You know, it can seem like the farmer's market's a summer thing, but for me it's a 52-week source for inspiration and ingredients for my cooking, both at home and at the restaurant Woodbury Kitchen, where I'm the chef and owner. My name is Spike Jurdy. I'm on the hunt today at Waverly Market for ingredients to make a classic, delicious late summer feast. Come along with me.
Hey, Spike.
Hey, what's going on?
Good, man.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Good. I'm cooking up something at home. Thinking for a little late summer feast, something a little on the lighter side.
Okay.
I'm thinking rabbit.
Rabbit. Hey, we got some today.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. Can I check them out?
Yeah, come on back. They're New Zealand chinchilla crosses.
Right on.
2 medium-sized,
Right on.
nice meat rabbits, raised on the farm, all natural, no antibiotics, no hormones.
Fantastic. That's exactly what we're looking for.
Okay.
You know what else I need? Some slab bacon.
All right, so I got some slab bacon over here.
Let's go.
Some of our no nitrate bacon. Cured with no nitrates, cured with celery salt, natural curing agent.
Oh yeah, that's the one. Definitely, that is looking good. Perfect.
Nice. All right.
That's gonna be
What are you
amazing.
gonna do with that?
This is gonna go
With
in.
the rabbit?
Yeah, we're gonna put it in, give it a little of that bacon flavor.
Nice.
Kind of ramp things up a
Bacon
little
goes
bit.
with everything.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
Especially your bacon.
Exactly. Well,
Thank you
thanks,
so
man.
much, my
Hey,
friend.
man, it's good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you.
All right, let me know how that turns out. Sounds
You've
delicious.
got it. Dave Hockheimer.
Good morning, Spike. How
How's
are
it
you
going?
today? Good.
It looks like you got amazing peaches today.
Thank you. Like we have Bounty today. They're a yellow freestone peach. They're a little bit firm. If you take them home and let them sit out, if you cut them up with a knife tonight, they'll be perfect. Tomorrow and the next day, they'll be even better.
I love that. If there's any must stop at Waverly Market in the summer, it is One Straw Farms' amazing stand.
Good
Joan
morning.
Norman.
Good morning.
Hey, what's up?
How are you?
It's good to see you.
Good morning.
I'm having the best time today. I'm working on a dish. Believe it or not, it's going to be rabbit. You know what jumped out at me though? Something you don't see every day. It's something you definitely don't see anywhere else. Is this purslane? It's a weed.
The weed, it's very good for you.
It's great for you.
high
Yeah.
in omega-3s and vitamin C, so it's apparently the plant in the world that has the most of that.
I'm going to grab one of these.
What else do you need? Shallots.
Shallots. Yes.
Come
Chefs
on
love
down.
their shallots.
Grab you a bag.
How about these?
That's wonderful.
These look great. Joan, thank you, as always.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
We'll see you next week.
Can't wait to start cooking.
Good, and we'll
Thank
see you next
Yeah,
week.
see you next week. I've been coming to this market for almost 30 years. I've met so many amazing people, and one of the highlights of my week is to get to come here on Saturdays and see everybody and see what's in season here in Maryland. And I'm really excited to get back to Woodbury and start cooking. We're back from the market at Woodbury Kitchen, ready to cook. We've got our rabbit here. I'm gonna jump right in. Cutting up a rabbit is easier than cutting chickens. Rear legs off. So why rabbit? It's a great question. Rabbits, as we all know, tend to reproduce rather prolifically, but it does take a really careful, thoughtful grower to be successful with rabbit, and Shane is one of those that is able to do that. And rabbit is delicious. It's a lighter meat, as we all know, and so I thought it would be really, really nice for this late summer dinner that we're cooking. I'm gonna keep rolling here. I've got some of the thyme that we got from One Straw. I'm gonna put the legs and the loins on this thyme. Actually, this is pretty much a one-pot meal, and the way I'm going to start that is with a piece of our slab bacon that we got from Shane. To this pan, I'm going to add the beautiful Lorraine potatoes we got from the Farm Alliance. You can see some really nice color. I'll make an appearance a little later on, and here we have it. We're going to start with these beautiful hind legs. What we really are looking for is some really nice color on the legs. It's got lovely color, as you can see, on the rabbit legs. The loins themselves are almost cooked through. We're going to put those to the side. And we capture a lot of that flavor. Then in goes our rabbit. Celery from Joan. 3 cloves of whole garlic. One of the things that's very central for us at Woodbury is fish pepper. This is what we add spice to our dishes with. These are fish peppers that were dried from last season's harvest. Peaches, we got from Dave Hockheimer. Brown them on a hot griddle to take on a lot of color, but without cooking too much. Our potatoes and bacon from earlier. I really want this pot to be as full as it can be. So now we're gonna fill in the rest of the braise with our stock. And two crucial ingredients. We're gonna use a cup of this incredible rosé wine from Old Westminster, and then an additional cup of vinegar from Keepwell. It's a lovely rosé as well. Cartouche goes on top just as the braise comes to a simmer, and into the oven we go. So it's been about 45 minutes. We're gonna take a look at our braise. Oh yeah. Yes, yes, yes. So at this point, our cooking is largely done, and we're actually gonna start the plating and the finishing process. Our braising liquid's reduced a little bit. Our purslane is cooked. So there you have it, family-style braised rabbit with peaches and purslane. I hope if you've never thought about rabbit before, maybe you will now. It's delicious, it's easy to cook. And we have the recipe on the website, mpt.org/farm. We'll see you at the farmer's market.
That looks amazing. Be sure to check out mpt.org/farm for all our recipes and resources. Plus, you can watch all Farm and Harvest episodes there as well. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for show updates, pictures, and videos.